Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Shopify store payment gateway. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and click on Settings, then Payments. Here, you'll see the option to activate Shopify Payments, which is Shopify's integrated solution. It's often the most straightforward choice for new stores, offering competitive rates and seamless integration. Consider your business needs and customer base when making your selection. Once you click Activate Shopify Payments, you'll be prompted to enter your business details. This includes your business type, address, and tax identification number. You'll also need to provide your banking information so Shopify knows where to deposit your earnings. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid delays in verification and payout. This step is crucial for smooth financial operations. Beyond Shopify Payments, you can also integrate other payment providers. In the Payments section, look for Add Payment Methods to explore options like PayPal, Stripe, or various local payment gateways. Offering multiple payment choices can significantly improve your customers' checkout experience and potentially increase conversion rates. Each provider has its own setup process and fee structure, so review them carefully. Before going live, it's essential to conduct test transactions. Use Shopify's test mode to simulate purchases and ensure your payment gateway is working correctly. Confirm that the order processes smoothly and that you understand how funds will be deposited into your bank account. This final check prevents issues for your customers. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. A smooth payment process and a fresh car scent make for a great day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.